Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go underwater in Expedition 33. To demonstrate, there's only a few instances of when you have to go underwater. The best example would be Renoir's Draft. This is a high-level dungeon that can only be accessed if you have SKA's ability to go and fetch stuff underwater. In order to dive underwater when using SKA, you would need to reach the relationship level of 6 with him in his side story. Now, how can we improve our relationship with our expedition friends? To start, return to camp, engage with SKA, go through his dialogue, and there should be a chance to spend time with him. Simply follow the dialogue naturally, as this will help with the game's lore, and strengthen your bond with him. Once you're done interacting, your relationship level will rise as you advance in the story. The option to spend time with him doesn't appear very often. From my account, it only appears after progressing the main story by a good margin. For example, after you finish a dungeon. But it can be quite hard to guess. I'd advise you just keep interacting with him whenever you can to find the option. Once you've reached relationship level 6, you will then get the ability to go underwater. And all the shiny items in the water can now be collected. And then you can enter Renoir's Draft. And that's how to go underwater in Expedition 33.